Hello once again, and this morning we'll do belly exercise. Hindi na natin patagalin. Let's begin. And you can do this exercise for 100 counts or more kahit may oras ka. And since oras ko na malapit na oras ng trabaho ko, guys, ay ano lang ako ng iilang counts. Pero nag-exercise na kanina, guys. Meron akong live workout. This is really effective, guys. Basta damihan nyo lang at saka araw-araw talaga gawin. Kasi dati ang lagi talaga ng yan, guys. Ngayon bumit-lit na. Paulit-ulit lang. So yun na guys, ulit-ulitin mo lang talaga para makita mo yung magandang result. I'll see you tomorrow.